Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you where I start my seeds. I'm gonna show you my grow room. It's not really a room, it's a closet, but it's got the potential to be a pretty good setup. I would need to add some more, maybe another shelf and definitely some more lights. But right now, it does what I need it to do, so it's good enough for now. The plants I have in there, we're gonna take out to the hoop beds and get them planted in there. So, yay, we get to plant today. I'm so excited about getting to be in the garden. So yeah, let's go check out the grow room, and then we'll get out into the garden and get those plants in. Okay, so over here in my family room, pardon the kids' toys there, in this closet, I just put a strip up there to plug everything in, and I just have stuff stored up there. And then I have two shelves. They're both not full of grow lights, but I have 3 at the top and 2 at the bottom. I don't have anything going down there right now, but I did have. Here's my kale and cabbage and lettuce and broccoli and cauliflower over there. Hey guys, well, it's a gloomy 50-ish degree day. It was raining, or not raining, but drizzling. So I kind of started without you. But I'm starting to get some of my plants in the hoop beds, and I wanted to show you what I got done so far. So because of the fact that I had to lower the hoops, you can see how much lower they are. I'm doing the broccoli, cauliflower kind of down the middle at the highest point, and then I'm doing like lettuces on this side, and I might do carrots on this side. But so far, that's what I've gotten done. So, I've never really successfully grown lettuce. I always say I'm going to, and then I don't get it started in time, and then it gets hot and it bolts. So I don't know. I'm gonna try my hand at successfully, hopefully successfully growing some lettuce. So I think what I've got here so far is Rocky Top and Little Gem. This says it's just a summer mix, simply salad. So I hope this works. Last year I grew some. It came up, I planted it, but like I said, it went straight to seed pretty quick. We didn't really get much. I see why people don't save these cheap little ones that you get at the store. These trays. I see why people invest in the more sturdy ones. Because I did a whole tray. I can't remember what I planted in there. It was a lot of cabbage, because I didn't get much cabbage at all to germinate. And I finally, once it was time to water, I could see when I watered, because I bottom water, when I watered, the all of these little things weren't all the way down to where they could reach the water in the bottom. So a lot of the cells didn't get watered, which was kind of frustrating. I hope I'm not planting these too close. But that's what this is all about, is testing my boundaries. See what works and what doesn't. I don't think I'm planting the lettuces too close. I'm just not sure about the broccoli. Let's see, I think I'm getting about six plants. This bed is a little bigger than my other beds are going to be. When we started building these, when we were trying to decide on how wide the bed should be, you know, everybody always says 4 feet because you can reach into the middle. And Perry was thinking that the cattle panels were 5 feet wide. So that kind of, I thought it might be pushing as far as reaching in and taking care of the plants in the middle, but then when we were actually in the garden, I measured the cattle panels and they're 4 feet wide. So I decided we would do these 2 beds, the ones with the hoops on them, 5 feet wide. And I think they're 7 feet long. We were gonna do 8 feet, but I really wanted to leave enough room for the tractor to get through. So, if need be, just for bringing compost or whatever. I can't wait to pick a salad from my little hoop garden, my little hoop beds. I'm planting these pretty close. I guess it's about, I'm saying 6 or 8 inches apart. I love this little tool. Perry found it somewhere a long time ago. I've had it for years, probably 10 years, easy. And you don't see them like this very often. I would love to find another one just for when this one wears out or gets lost. I can't believe I still have it, but I love it. It's got a nice point on the end. It's got teeth on the sides. And it's like a good scoop. So you can use it for several different things, but I really do like it. I don't even know if it has a name. I never thought to do that. Soil Scoop by Garden Works, Bellevue, Washington. I'll have to search that. I've never looked at that before. Oh, it feels so good to get my hands back in the dirt. I think this just says lettuce blend. I'm wanting to say one of these, it must be this one, is romaine. And then the rest of this is just a salad blend. So I think we're gonna have plenty of lettuce, that's for sure. If I'm planting this way too thick, I might just have to pull out every other one later on, but I'm hoping it'll be fine. I'm thinking I may end up having to remove some of the ones that are real close to the broccoli. The reason I had to lower the hoops was because my plan was to, because the row cover is only 6 feet wide, I was gonna sew 3 more feet on the end of it. But the my sewing machine died, so I didn't get to sew an extra 3 feet on the fabric. I wasn't even sure it would work, but I was gonna sew 3 more feet on it so I could make it wider, because I definitely wanted one piece so the wind's not blowing it off and having to deal with that. So since it's only 6 feet wide, I had to shorten the hoop so that the fabric would fit. Come on, sunshine. It came out for about a whole 10 seconds. Alright guys, I got this bed planted out. Different kinds of lettuces over here. 2 rows of broccoli here. And I'm leaving enough room for a couple of rows of carrots. So, I'm going to get this watered in. They're looking a little puny. I hope this works, but we shall see. Well, this bed is starting to perk up a little bit. I got a couple of rows of carrots under those 2 boards. So today is March the 19th when I got these beds in. So I'm hoping it's not too early. I hope it's not too late. We'll just have to see how these two beds do. Well, my dad and I got this bed planted out and got the cover almost all the way on, and I thought I'd show it to you before I covered it up. We got 2 rows of cauliflower down the middle, some kale on the sides, a couple of cabbages, and sprinkled in some radish seeds. Just thought I'd show you what we got done. Yeah, if y'all are at home and got nothing to do, put in a little garden. It's therapeutic, it's fun, and you'll be growing yourself some food. Just think about it. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap this up, and we'll see you on the next video.